Action risk. A risk that is procedure performed by the auditor to reduce the audit risks to acceptable low level will not deduct a misstatement that exists and that could be material either individually or aggregated with other misstatement. Reduction risk is with auditor. Why reduction risk with auditor? Because what he need to perform some procedures to identify the material misstatements in the financial statement. If he is doing some procedure, yeah, and but the procedure what he follow is not able to find the misstatement whether it is individually or grouped together aggregated misstatement. If he would not find that, then the procedure which he follow is faulty. Then that procedure what he followed and which he not able to find the misstatement is known as detection risk. He is not able to find that misstatement.